In this short video about GenoSurf, I will explain to you how to retrieve data of different types divided by patient. We have already selected as an example the TCGA source, the GRCH38 assembly, and the disease cholangiocarcinoma. So we got a 401 item dataset. These data are divided in 7 datasets, each of which is for one data type. In the result items board, we see that the donor ID attribute can be used to group by patient. We want it in a position at the beginning, close to the source ID. And now we want to download this table into a CSV so we can be able to further process it using, for example, Excel. Using a few transformations, we're able to put the data in the format we want. We sort by donor ID. And then we see that, for example, for the first donor, we have 9 items, each of which correspond to a different data type, and each of which can be healthy or tumor, based on this value.